Hey guys, welcome back. So, Easter's just a few days away, and I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make a cute, editable invitation. Super quick and easy using stock designs from Templett. I've already picked out the one we'll be working with. First things first, let's play around with fonts. This part's totally up to you and your vibe. I usually just click through a few until one feels right. There's honestly so many good ones to pick from, so take your time and have fun with it. Here's a quick tip. Did you know you can scale an object from the center just by holding the Option or Alt key? It's super helpful when you want to resize something, but keep it perfectly centered. For colors, I always like to use the eyedropper tool. It's perfect for pulling colors straight from the image so everything matches. And if you want to switch up the background, there are a ton of cute image options in Template. I'm going to stick with this one though. I just love how sweet it looks. And that's it. Super easy, right? Hopefully, this gave you a little inspo for your own Easter designs. If you like this, give it a quick thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for hanging out. See you soon.